Hi Rick. So I created this custom field for division entity and I'm selecting this option include inactive list items, and the list that I've selected is employees. Okay, so this got saved. Okay, so this got saved. Now I have this record. Employee name is Akshay and the current status is active. If I go yeah, so if I go to the divisions and select this custom field, I can see this record here. And if I go and deactivate this, okay, so the record is deactivated now. I go here and do Control F5, or I can close this form. Yeah, I'll close this form and reopen it once again. Now if I do search for the deactivated employee, I'm not getting that employee name in the list. As per this setting, it should be there in the list since we have selected this include inactive list items. And this is happening for all the entities, not just employees. It's happening for divisions, contacts. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.